Good morning, children. As we have finished several chapters of English of class 9th, today we will do the exercise of first chapter of the book Beehive. As you all know that we are having two books. One is Beehive and the second is Moment. We will start with the Beehive, chapter 1, The Fun They Had. Some words are here. We will just write the meanings of these words one by one. The number one is crinkly, which means with many folds. Next is telebooks, which means electronic books or textbook. Another one is attic, a space just below the room. Next is scornful, that means insulting. Mechanical teacher means online teacher or teacher which used to teach with computer. Number 6 is patted, which means spill. 7th is geared, which means adjusted to a particular level. Next is loftily, which means in a lofty manner. Number 9 is screamed, which means cried. Next is nonchalantly, that is in a composed manner. Next one is whistling, that is making a noise with a whistle. Number 12 is tucked, which means being tucked or hidden. Next is beneath, that is under. Next one is flashing, which means breaking into flame. And shaken, which means moved. So these are the words which we will find in the chapter The Fun They Had. So you will note it down or write it down in your copy along with the meanings. Now we will move ahead to the questions which are given in this chapter. The two types of questions are there. The first one is the short answers and the second one is long answers or answers in 50 to 60 words. So we will start with the short answers. Question number 1. How old are Margie and Tommy? The Margie was 11-year-old and Tommy was 13-year-old. So we will write Margie was 11 and Tommy was 13-year-old. Question number 2. What did Margie write in her diary? So Margie wrote that Tommy had found a book of his grandfather. Margie wrote in her diary that Tommy found a real book. Okay. Now question number 3. Had Margie ever seen a book before? So what will be the answer? No, Margie had not ever seen a real book before. Okay. Now question number 4. What things about the book did she find strange? The answer will be she found it strange that the words and letters in the books were real. They were not moving text as the letters are moving on computer screen of her classroom. Okay. Now what do you think a telebook is? Question number 5 is, what do you think a telebook is? The telebook is not a printed book. It is a type of book stored in computer software. So we can say that telebook is a totally electronic book which is fed in computer software. Okay. Now question number 6. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Number 6 is, where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? The answer will be, Margie's school was in her home or house, we can say. Margie's school was in her home, which was fully equipped with electronic devices. She used to learn from a mechanical teacher. She had no classmate or she has no friends. Okay. Now type 2 question, that is in 50 or 60 words. Question number 1. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? The answer will be, Margie and Tommy are a child of future generation. They both are reading in an electronic school completely based on devices. Okay? Their teacher is not a human being. What? Their teacher is not a human being. They learn from a mechanical teacher operated by computer software with the help of internet. Okay. Now question number 2. Why did Margie's mother send for the country inspector? Why did Margie's mother send for the country inspector? The answer will be, Margie was doing well in her studies, especially in geography. Margie was not doing well in her studies, especially in geography. Perhaps something was wrong with her mechanical teacher. So Margie's mother sent the country inspector to verify the problem of Margie towards her study and mechanical teacher. Okay. Now question number 3. What did he do? What did he do means, what did the country inspector do? The country inspector was a little round man. He was called by her mother to test and check the Margie's progress in geography. After checking her classroom and uploads of software, he told that everything is quite well and right. Only the standard level of geography was little high, due to which Margie was facing difficulty in her studies in that subject. He had slowed it to suit the level of 10-year-old kid. Okay. Now question number 4. Why was Margie doing badly at geography? Why was Margie doing badly at the subject geography? What did the country inspector do to help her? It is same as just like question number 3. The answer will be, Margie was doing badly at geography. It was not her fault because the geography subject was little high according to her age and standard. So the country inspector, or so he slowed the software to improve the performance of Margie in geography. Okay. Now question number 5. What had once happened to Tommy's sector? The question is, what had once happened to Tommy's sector or subject. So once Tommy's teacher was away for about a month. The history sector in the computer was completely blank. So Tommy was not able to do his work in history. Okay. Now question number 6. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? What is the question? Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? The answer will be Margie had regular days and hours for school. The time was quite fixed except for Saturday and Sunday. It was because Mrs. Jones, that is her mother, wanted her to learn better and improve their performance in each and every subject. Okay? Now question number 7. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? The answer will be Tommy describes the old kind of school were run in big buildings. In that type of schools, several children used to sit in one classroom to learn different subjects by different physical teachers. The students used to play, shout, and laugh together in the schoolyard. And at the end of the day, they used to leave collectively for their houses. Okay? Now, question number 8. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? How does he describe the old kind of teachers? The answer will be the Tommy describes that the teachers were men in real sense. They used to teach all the kinds together. The teacher teaches according to the standard of the students. Each and every kids were able to ask their questions and problems to the teacher in their classroom. Okay? Now the exercise is completed. I am giving you homework, these 2 questions. You will try to write in your own words. As if you all are having the book, you just go through the chapter and try to answer these 2 questions. Number 1 is, what are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? What is the question? What are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Next is, why did Margie hate school? Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Is that clear? These 2 questions will be your homework and you will try to write the answers in your own word. Okay? Now thank you. We have finished the exercise of first chapter.